The 2012 Mercedes SLS AMG Roadster Jetstream by FAB Design. We all know how eccentric the folks over at FAB Design are, but one program that really captured our attention was their work on the Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. Now, the tuner extraordinaire is back with a similar program for the SLS AMG Roadster. Unlike the hard-top version of the Mercedes supercar, the program for the Roadster is called the Jetstream, and it comes with plenty of aerodynamic and performance modifications. The first order of business is the body kit, which comes with a new front bumper with vertically positioned daylight running lights. It also has wider fenders that flow down into the side skirts and run up into the widened quarter panels. A new rear bumper was also added with bigger vents to go with a diffuser and a carbon fiber lip spoiler. Lastly, FAB Design also installed a new stainless steel sports exhaust system that has an integrated valve control and a quad-tailpipe setup. As far as performance modifications are concerned, FAB Design was able to bump up the output of the SLS AMG Roadster from the standard 563 horsepower and 479 pounds-per-foot of torque all the way up to 607 horsepower and 509 pounds-per-foot torque. The increased output allows the supercar to hit 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds with a new top speed of 202 miles per hour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.